Well, I think it's definitely a distraction for the teachers too, trying to teach and then be like, put your phones down, they're distracted.
We recognize that cell phones and electronic devices are a normal part of our everyday life today. And so part of education is educating students on how to use those appropriately.
So let's continue that conversation this morning and hear from a mental health expert's perspective about the potentially negative effects of phones in the classroom.
KSHB 41 News reporter Olivia Acree live with this story. Olivia, it's easy to get distracted by the cell phones, right? Kids are no exception.
I think Olivia is triggering teachers right now with her the way she's standing there for this live shot.
You took the words out of my mouth. That's exactly what I was going to tell you, that what you just saw me doing, not paying attention, is a lot of what teachers are seeing in the classroom. And they know that it's not just harmful to education, but it can also be harmful to mental health. So I talked to Tim DeWeiss from the Johnson County Mental Health Office, who says they're constantly working to try to understand the relationship between cell phones and mental health. And he says that cell phones are made to keep us connected and keep our attention, but they're keeping students' attention in the wrong place. He says the distraction they pose for students goes deeper than interrupting their teacher's lesson. This was a concern we heard from parents throughout the week as well, that cell phones take a mental toll on students, and other parents had concerns about safety. But DeWeiss called phones a safety net that isn't there. He said these policies will enforce parents to think more about why they're contacting their student during the school day and to trust in educators and school staff to handle safety concerns.
We have these devices that are supposed to keep us connected, that are supposed to improve our lives, and they do in so many ways. But what we're learning is that there are also these unintended consequences, and keeping our distracting ourselves.
Multiple school districts in Johnson County have implemented new cell phone policies this year, including Olathe, Shawnee Mission, Gardner-Edgerton, and the National Center for Educational Statistics reported in 2020 that by then, 77% of schools nationwide had employed different cell phone policies. So the districts in our area are just joining many others across the country in this movement. Taylor and Lindsay.
Olivia, the response is the really interesting part of this conversation. Of it almost feels like, is it too little? Is it too much? How do you measure that?
Now they're so ingrained.
How did we get to a point where we go from, in some cases, not doing a whole lot of regulation to a ban being the answer?
Right, and school districts all have different ways to combat this, but the National Educators Association, they reported that some of the reasons that schools are doing this are things like cyberbullying to actually improve attendance, and for mental health and the toll that cell phones can have on their students, which really echoes what DeWeiss was saying about how keeping phones out of the classroom can help the material learning that students have in front of them, but also hopefully that social and emotional learning as well.
All right, Olivia, thank you. You can find more of our coverage on the phone-free classroom conversations and our back-to-school coverage, all of that at kshb.com.